Hey y'all, welcome to October. I cannot believe how fast that September flew by. But anyways, it's October and we have a brand new customer special with 31. So for every $35 that you spend in the month of October, you can get one medium utility tote for $15 or two medium utility totes for $20. So I know that when you spend $35, you're gonna get two of those totes. You're not gonna pass up. You're gonna get one for you and you're gonna get one as a Christmas gift or a birthday gift or whoever you wanna gift that to. Or you may just keep the two for yourself because you love them so much like me. But anyways, I'm gonna share with you a couple of those prints that I have my hands on right now. So this one is called Snowy Slopes. Look how gorgeous this is. It's a gold and a cream and like a golden or sunset gold print right here is absolutely gorgeous. So this is the medium utility tote here. I love this tote. It has the wire rim around the top. You have your grommets right here on both sides, and the handles on this one are gold. This is so beautiful. The bottom is also gold. So this is Snowy Slopes. The next one that I have my hands on is the snow globes, you guys. How exciting is that? Love the snow globes. They're so cute. They're all different. There's Christmas trees, snowmen. This one reminds me of the National Lampoon's Vacation. There's a reindeer in there, snowmen. I love this print. This is called the snow globe. And then the last one that I have my hands on is actually over here. This is the medium utility tote in charcoal. So if you have a man in your life and you're needing to give him something to keep his car organized, or maybe you're headed to the football games and you wanted a solid color, this one is your go-to. This is the charcoal. This would look great with a football embroidered on there, maybe a basketball or a baseball and your team name on here. Maybe your husband's initials stacked on top of one another. It looks really classic for a guy. But this is charcoal. This would also look great in the trunk of your car if you have black or gray interior. This is wonderful. These are wonderful for groceries, has an overnight bag to store blankets and sweaters, really whatever you need. Our utility totes are perfect. So this is the medium utility tote. This is a little bit smaller than our large utility tote. My grandmother actually loves the medium utility tote best because it's just her size. The large utility tote is kind of big, and sometimes we pack so much stuff in there that we can hardly carry it. So this is the perfect size, and I do want to show you a size comparison between the medium utility tote and the large. So here is the large utility tote. This is in our global inspired sea turtles print. Look how cute. So this is the large utility tote, okay? This is it compared to the medium utility tote. It's taller and it's a little bit wider, okay? The large is a little bit wider and it's a little bit longer here. So let me try to double these up right here. So it is a little bit longer, if you can see kind of on that edge right there. So that's the size comparison. So keep in mind, for the month of October, for every $35 that you spend, you can get one medium utility tote for $15 or two for $20. And I do also want to mention that October would be a great month to host a fundraiser with 31 since our medium utility totes are on sale. So if you're interested in a fundraiser, I would love to talk more about that with you. So I'll have some information in the comments. You can also fill out my survey, and I would love to mail you a copy of our brand new catalog and our Christmas catalog that's starting. I'm also doing another video about the October customer special with our Christmas stuff, so I'm excited to show that, so make sure that you watch that video. And we do have several different prints that our medium utility totes are in. It comes in solid gold. This is the Snowy Slopes that I just showed you. This is a black and white print. Love this one. I've got to get my hands on it. This is a navy blue background with red and white and green polka dots. This is the snow globe I just showed you, the charcoal, and then the falling feathers. So anyways, I hope that you will shop with me, party with me, and connect with me in October. So I hope you have a great day.